In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly find your downloaded videos on the YouTube app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more YouTube tutorials just like this. Now maybe you've downloaded a few YouTube videos to watch offline, which is obviously perfect for when you're traveling or somewhere with no internet. Here's how you can locate them very easily. Begin by opening up the YouTube app and actually heading to the bottom right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on the U option that will appear and scroll down a little bit on this page and you should see an option that does say Library. Now I don't actually have this option because I don't have YouTube Premium, but as you can see in the section where it says Get YouTube Premium, that's where that library option will be located. Open that up and then you'll find the download section within it. Simply go ahead and tap on that download section and you'll see a list of every single video that you've downloaded for offline viewing. Now you just need to simply tap on any of those videos and you could start watching it without needing internet or cell service at all. But that's it. It is super simple. If this video did go ahead and help, make sure to leave a like on it, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel for even more helpful tutorials and how-tos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.